what's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to Brighton, Colorado. Got a little rainstorm over there to the left. We're heading south. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Today's adventure on the official welcome sign there. 4,982 foot of elevation, Brighton. Population at the time of the video, just over 40,000 folks. Let's go check out the town. Alright, let me figure this out here. Just gonna stay in my lane. Check the gas, 339. Everyone yield to me. Alright, we did it. Oh, we have another one here. We got a couple roundabouts. On your way into town, there's another welcome sign there on the ground. I don't know if you saw that or not. I think I need to, nope. Here's the old downtown, just like that. Calvary, Brighton. What is that? What do we have here? Azteca. City. Summer in the city. Little truck shop or something. This is cool. There's the historic city hall to the right there. Look at that building. Kind of looks like Back to the Future. Just a little bit. TBK Bank, historic city hall. Cool building. Looks like a nice city. We're not too far from downtown Denver or the airport, closer to the airport than we are the downtown. You know, drive-through taco place there. Oh, need to let them pass. Go ahead and pop down one of these streets here. Oh, look at this building. Look at the curtains. What is this? 8th Avenue. This is a school. Maybe. 830 8th Avenue. Doesn't say. Some neighborhoods here in Brighton. Some of these neighborhoods. It's like a big church there to the left. Got some nice houses here. Crossing over 4th Avenue. Seems to be a busy street. There's a barber shop with a barber sign. It's spinning. I think that means it's open. St. Elizabeth's Church. Teen toddler. That's got to be a daycare. Coming up to Main Street here. Get into this four-way stop. Go ahead, folks. I'm waving to both of you, please. Go. Thank you. And the stair down there. Come on, guys. This is State Farm. I'm not aggressive, if that's what you're thinking. That was a little too much at the four-way stop. It really wasn't. Both cars got there before me. I was waiting and waving, and they just wanted to mean mug. It's cool. It's all good. It's all good in Brighton. Uh-oh, here's Lizzie's. They got axe throwing. How about that? Pretty cool. Mobile gas station, 346. Getting ready to catch a glimpse of the mountains here to the right. Maybe. Ace Hardware, Ford dealership here in Brighton. Just past the Wally World. So here's a lot of action here. It's a busy part of the town. There's the mountains there in the back. The Rocky Mountains.